STIE Toys.
Hey everyone, it's ST Toys. Today we're going to be playing with lots of fun toys in the pool. Look, it's an imaginary dragon. Wow, it's Ron Weasley. Wow, look, it's a vulture. Look, it's Jeff the Purple Oddbot.
His ironing is underpants.
Wow, look, it's a broom from Beauty and the Beast. Now look, it's Minnie Mouse.
What?
The Hulk. It's Rebecca Rabbit. Look, it's a pretty little mermaid. Pig. Marshall from Paw Patrol. Bunny Mold. Tiger. Iron Man. Look, it's Owlette. It's Rip from PJ Masks.
Now this is awesome!
Wow, now look, it's a big red spider. Sky from Paw Patrol.
Let's take to the sky!
That's all the toys for today. That's it, all done. Bye-bye.
STIE Toys.